What is going on, guys? It is Tuesday now. I wasn't able to film much yesterday on Monday for the main fact that I've just been super busy with work, but I did manage to get in a small gold position. Which you can see right here. I entered on this exhaustion wick here, and then I just exited right here. It's just pretty much a break-even trade, honestly. Price action was super choppy. If I check the market really quickly, first of all, there is just some news for Canadian dollar, which I'm not really worried about. I am interested in taking longs on gold. Yeah, just hoping for another retest before going back up, possibly somewhere in this area here. All right, and then the next thing I'm looking at is actually Bitcoin, which just dumped to the downside, respected this level of support here, this area here really. Now it's making higher lows like this, higher lows and lower highs, which could be considered as a symmetrical triangle if you just plot some lines here. And then it should either break out to the downside or to the upside, so I'm just monitoring that. Let me check GJ could be good to sell though. The main thing I am looking for is probably just gold, seeing what it will do on this daily level here. Looking pretty bullish. Yeah, just need to wait how this will react later on, probably during New York session. What's up, guys? Quick trade update here. I entered the position right here. It was based off of this 30-minute fair value gap, which it has respected. We were already bullish, and yeah, this downward move didn't really scare me that much. So we are in a little bit of profit. If price retraces to this area here, I will enter another position inside of here, and if it will push down, there is a fair value gap sitting right here, and I would enter a third position there, all for a risk of about 1k. We are just 27 pips into profit now, 25 now. Yeah, just gonna let this play out. There is news 90 minutes from now. I plan to maximize this profit here if it doesn't go down until here. I want to have it do something like this. I'm not sure if I will be holding the trade for this long. We just need to see how this whole trade is gonna flow and play out. Price pulled back right into this fair value gap, so we are just 7 pips into profit, and I'm gonna add another position like right now, since there's seller's exhaustion here on a 1 minute, and then let's see what happens. Okay, the 1 minute candle closed like this. Now it's just making the low of the candle here. I think this is still good to go for a second entry, so I'm gonna click the buy button right now. So as you can see, just entered here, and yeah, just gonna set the stop loss and TP and then continue on with my cooking.
All right, trade update. Just had my lunch, which was fine. We are in profit. As you can see, just 500 bucks. So we broke through this small resistance level here. This whole zone right here could be considered the resistance range that it can reprice itself into and then respect it and then go up. So yeah, it's like $400 into profit now, which is nothing special really, but yeah, let's see what will happen because NY session will open soon as well. Pip wise, good in profit. So it's like 65, 63 pips on one position, 50 pips on the other. It's flowing nicely. This entry I missed. There was a small fair value gap here and then it tapped into it and it just shot up. That's sad, of course. We are 20 minutes removed from the Canadian dollar CPI, which I don't think is gonna affect gold that much, but yes, I don't know if I want to give up this profit right here. Once we hit 1K in profits, then I will probably close this trade out. For the main fact that if I go on a 1 minute, it's just consolidating right now, which I don't really like to see. And if you track RSI, which I don't really do, there is some divergence going on. This is a lower high, this is a higher high. So yeah, just waiting to see if price can just push up a bit more and then I can close it like right here. Yeah, definitely looks like some volume is coming inside of the market. It's starting to get pretty volatile, so I could think about closing this position out soon. Well, we already tapped the 1K profit. Right now it's playing around a bit. It's showing some buyer's exhaustion. We are 13 minutes removed from news. So we just passed the 1K, so I am probably gonna close it out. Yeah, I just saw it closing out on 997, which, yeah, that's so obvious, but now we are on 666. Probably want to be taking a super quick trade because I do not want to end on 666. All right, so it's just my little superstition here. So let's quickly get into a buy here. Wait until it hits the profit. All right, 1, 2, 3, boom. All right, now I can sleep safely tonight. All right, what is good, guys? This is the gold position, the breakdown that I promised. And as you can see, I exited right at the top here. I had 2 buy positions here, exited right there. And it was really based off of multiple reasons. For one, if I look on the M15, there is a resistance like right here, and price was nearing that point. And me already being up 800 bucks and then also seeing price push up into there, also being kind of close to what my initial target was, I was like, okay, I want to secure this profit, you know, I don't want to potentially lose all of it, which it just dropped all the way back down below my entries, and that would be like 30, 40 pips even into drawdown if I decided to keep this trade rolling. So yeah, that's just why I closed it out. So today I'm really just looking to possibly sell gold. I'm not entirely sure yet. We did break this level of support here. Maybe you can even draw some kind of counter trend line that was broken. But yeah, it's a big push down. We could see more downwards movement. We just need to really wait and see. In terms of news, this is unemployment claims at 8:30 New York time. And after that, on my 5 p.m., which is New York 11 a.m., Trump is gonna speak. So gold being highly sensitive to news, I might look for a trade between unemployment claims and the Trump event, but yeah, just need to wait and see what it does, because I do not really want to go into a trade now, like 2 hours before New York, especially because it's pulling back now. I want to see more data, possibly a bounce of the VWAP here or a bounce of some MAs, which, you know, might happen somewhere here. Yeah, then I could sell it here, take it down to this M15 support level. I'll most likely just wait until after 8:30 New York time and then just hop into a trade, maybe, you know, a couple minutes after, just depending on the situation, and then try and get out. Let's see what happens today. And this is pretty much the only pair I'm interested in trading. All right, it is 9 a.m. New York time right now, and I missed the opportunity on gold, which we were somewhere in this area, and it just dumped by like almost 200 pips, I think. Yeah, like 160 pips it just dropped, and I was considering buying it in this area here, but going on M30, you know, there's two big wicks right there, which I'm not really interested in really doing anything right now until there's more data, more candles being printed. Not sure if I'll trade today. Trump is speaking in 2 hours. Yeah, it's looking like a no trade day to me. All right, little update. I decided to get into a sell anyway, which you can see right here. It was based off of, where's my mouse? Based off of this exhaustion here, and it being in a fair value gap, which I've marked off right here. The M5, there's the fair value gap here. Price tapped it right there, respected it, which also respected this M15 support level here. And then I had, you know, multiple confluences that it was gonna go bearish. The price is below the MAs and the VWAP as well, so probably it's just a bit of profit, but I'll probably move my stop loss to break even because I don't really want to lose a trade right now. It's looking okay, but I'll probably be closing out this trade soon. We'll see. All right, we got taken out at break even, which, yeah, definitely sucks, but it's better than price potentially pushing up and then suddenly you're in drawdown. Now it's just a matter of not beating yourself up if you're in a situation like this where, you know, I was 40 pips into profit and, you know, like, oh, why didn't you take the profit there? You know, there's exhaustion here. You know, it's the 1 minute time frame. You know, it could dump down way more. It could dump down after this as well. I just don't want to risk it because Trump is speaking in 1 hour from now. And yeah, I don't want to be in a potentially volatile market. And I still do think we're gonna go down. But yeah, I got taken out to break even, which is whatever, honestly. I will definitely still feel some type of way if price goes all the way down after this. But yeah, I protected my capital, even though it's a funded, it's not real. But yeah, I still protected my capital, which is the most important thing. And yeah, just need to wait and see what tomorrow will bring. Hopefully some good opportunities to catch some big sized moves. So we'll see. All right, what is up, guys? Suddenly it's Friday night and I didn't have any opportunity to film any type of footage until now. Okay, so in terms of trading, I did take one trade right here on Bitcoin actually, and I'll break it down, like why did I take this trade. So at this point in time we've been pretty bullish, so this was somewhere like right here. So like, okay, we made a low here, a high here, and then a higher low like right here. This all signified bullish potential right here. And then we are trading above the MAs, VWAP as well. So then on the M5, which is what I was looking at, because I already established that we are in a bullish trend, which is not really that difficult to see, except for, you know, there's some nasty stuff going on like right around here. But mainly it's still bullish in my opinion. Okay, so what I saw here is, so this level here being respected, we saw this like this resistance area really being broken, and fast forward a little bit, we have this fair value gap here, which was pretty important for me. There was one here, there was one here, and I always like to take that into consideration when I'm taking my entries, because since I started trading fair value gaps, my precision has gone up a lot, and I just combine it with market structure and just retail, you know, support resistance stuff. Yeah, that's really helped out a ton for me. And then in terms of the actual entry, I entered right here. I think it was based off the M3, because there was this bullish engulfing here, and that's where I entered. So I immediately I had around 3 confirmations, being this fair value gap. We're trading above the MA. We have a bullish engulfing candlestick here, and this level of support here kept being respected. All right, so I had my entry here. It played around, and it shot down a lot. So the thing is, right here there was news. That's why it shot up so much. I actually exited my position around here somewhere. It was absolutely terrible. But for me, it was Friday. I had my profit that I should have made yesterday with the gold trade. I had it here, so I just wanted to secure it and then just continue on with my day and end the week on a high note, right? So yeah, it just did all of that. And I didn't really want to stress that much about this trade today. You know, been pretty tired lately, so yeah, that's why I just took this small position. And that's really it. The account right now is sitting on 103,000, which is still some ways removed from the profit goal. Yeah, this pretty much wraps up the video right here. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week.